friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this pretty patchwork pocket. This is day 59 of 100 Days of Pockets, and I want to be sure and let you know that Cindy does have available an instruction booklet on how you can create all of these different pockets. If you go to my description box, you will find Cindy A. Lewis's Ko-Fi shop, and if you click that link, it'll take you to the booklet. Today you will need some backing paper, some paper scraps, scissors, glue, embellishments, all that good stuff. I have decided I'm going to use this as my backing paper. I was going to use the map that I showed in the beginning of the video, but I just decided to switch gears a little bit and use this nice rich green cardstock. It's a light cardstock, but that's what I'm going to use for my backing paper. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a nice little green piece of this for the actual pocket. And then we've got some scraps, and I actually, on a Friday Live with Martha Makes Art, we created some mixed media pieces, and I then took those mixed media pieces and turned them into greeting cards. I actually should show those to you, but at any rate, let's not get distracted. But these were some cutoffs, and I thought they were really, really pretty, and so I thought, you know what, let's use these for our patchwork pocket here. So what I'm going to do is use my scissors to just cut down the sizes a little bit and glue these on here. Here, I'm going to go over here with this one, since the flower's up at the top like that. All right, and now we're going to grab another piece, and hope everybody's doing good today. I hope you've been following along and enjoying the videos. It has been a lot of fun to create all of these different pockets. There we go. All right, now I'm going to take this piece. This has some more of the floral on it, so I'm going to take that. I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to put it right down here. So there doesn't really have to be any rhyme or reason of what you're cutting and where you're cutting. For this one, I'm just trying to make sure I get all the good parts with the floral on it. And I just need a few more small pieces. Let's see what we've got here. I've got these scraps. Oh, this one's got some music paper on it, so I like that. This one has music paper on it too. I think I want to use that. All right, we just need one more piece, and I have this nice piece here with some music paper on it. So I am going to cut this here and then glue this little square on there. Before I glue my pocket down, I want to add some stenciling to the scrapbook paper. It'll end up looking very subtle because the scrapbook paper is already pretty dark and I'm using brown, not black, but I wanted subtle. But I didn't want it to just be plain either. So that is why I made the choice of the brown over the green. And it's easier to stencil. Obviously, it's easier to stencil before you put the pocket on, because otherwise the pocket is in the way. Whoops, my paper shifted. I'm going to see if I can put this back where it was. There we go. All right, let's have a look at that. Yeah, I like it. That's super pretty. And the pocket is ready to go. I just need to decide how I want it placed. I could go across like this. I could do that, which I don't think I like that as much. Oh, I think I like this placement. Yeah, I'm going to go with that, and I'm going to see if I can get through all the layers with my corner punch. Yeah, that was no problem at all. And then, of course, we're just putting glue on the two sides. All right, my friends, I've got the pocket glued onto the backing. Then I had a master board, and I love the colors of it, and it goes so beautifully with this paper doll. And just so that you guys know, I have a paper doll collaboration going on this month. And so I thought I would use her, but I'm going to tear some of this vintage music paper, and I'm going to put that over top of this, I think. Anyway, we're going to try it on for size and see how we like it. So if we put this here, and then we put her here. Does that look better? Or if we remove the music paper and then she's on here just like that. And I do actually love the colors. These all work really nicely together. Whereas on this one, she pops up off of it a little bit. It's, I would say it's, obviously the paper is brighter. And do we like that? Do we want that? You know, let me try this one more time. Gosh, I think I really do like her just there. I didn't want her to feel like she was floating, but I gotta say, I really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue her down. And then I'm gonna take this. This has got just a little bit of leftover ink on it from going around, I think, going around her dress. And I'm just gonna go across here like this, just to create an anchor, if you will. And I'm not gonna just make a line on it because that'll look ridiculous, but if I just darken all of this, I wonder if that'll help. We're gonna find out. It can't hurt, so. All right, let's see how we like that. Well, I don't know if it made that much difference as far as like what we see with our eye, but you know, that's okay. I did it and it's done now. This is the tag that is going to go right inside of this pocket, and I think that looks super pretty, you guys. I hope that you like it too. Please check out Cindy A. Lewis's channel and see what she came up with for today. And I really appreciate you guys being here. I truly, truly do. I hope you know that. Thanks for watching. See you soon.